are we today? We're gonna watch Alex Ayala dito sa Kuyong Lawn something tennis club.
Hello, good morning. So today, my friend and I are going to AO. Wala kami ng ground pass for today. So unfortunately, wala na si Alex Ayala sa AO kasi natalo na siya nung singles and doubles match niya. So, ayun, unfortunately, may pasok ako. I had work during those days. So, but I still want to experience AO. So, my friend and I are going to AO right now. Feeling ko mostly nang gagawin ko doon, kakain lang ako. So come with me and experience AO for the first time.
We're finally here sa AO. Say hi naman. Mainit. Mainit ang itim ko na. Tara na, kakain na tayo. First freebie of the day. Masarap siya. So, in-order namin yung chocolate kasi nakapagkape na kami for the day. Marshmallow? Pang ano ata yung marshmallow? Pag mainit, girl. Hindi, yung maliliit. Parang Swiss-miss. Nagdala tayo. Pwede naman magdala. Oo nga eh. Next time. Charot. Next year. Next year. Okay, next food stop, Hector's Deli. Okay, next one. Ate ko pala to, Pat. Cutie. Hey, we got the Peach Melbourne Sundae. Ano ba to? Sundae ice cream. Sarap. Refreshing. Sana mas marami yung peach.
Ayoko nung vanilla.
Okay lang, masarap pa din.
Sana screening ko lang nila ng marami. Yung maasim.
Maasim na, hindi pa ba maasim?
Not enough. Pupunta ako dyan.
What did this girlie bought? Budo!
Yes.
Wait lang. Siya rin.
Of course.
We're twinning.
Let's go to the next store.
Next door, NB. We got chips and the Wonder Pie. Chicken pie.
afternoon. So today is Australia Day. And wala talaga akong plan for today, pero naisip ko, mahaba na pala yung hair ko. So, I've decided to book an appointment sa Kiss Hair Salon here in Latrobe. Magpapaano lang ako, shampoo, cut, and blow dry. So, bumili ako ng classic matcha latte from Torori. Ito naman siya. Medyo watered down. Pero pwede na. And then I also got their warabi mochi. Classic flavor. Ayan. Actually, may sauce siya. Yung brown sugar syrup. Pero medyo mahirap kainin. So, I'll just try it ng ganito muna. Plain. Good afternoon. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina sa IKEA kasi wala, nag-enjoy na ako kakaikot. Here's what I got. Ayan. So, bumili na naman ako ng bagong plant. Tapos, mga little things from IKEA at saka yung plant stand. And, bumili din ako ng ever so popular Fado lamp. Ayan. So, wala pa akong bulb. I'll try to look for E27 Philips Hue para mag-iba-iba siyang color. Charot. So, I still have time pa naman. Kaya, samahan niyo ako mag-unbox. So, ano lang to, it's just a plant stand. Tapos, plano ko sa taas. Kasi parang 2-layer siya. Yung sa taas, plano ko ilagay yung plant. And ay sa baba, plan ko ilagay yung Fado na lamp. So, sana magkasya si Fado na lamp. Try ko siyang isukat kanina, pero I think kasya naman siya. Okay, so yan na. Tayo ko na yung aking plant stand. And now it's time to open my Fado light. Sana, plan ko dito siya. So, I hope kasya siya. Oh God, sana talaga kasya siya. Oh my God, hindi siya kasya. Oh my God, hindi siya kasya. Dito na lang kaya. I think magagawan ko siya ng paraan. So, tinanggal ko ulit yung isang paa. And then, lalagay natin siya. Ayan, so iiwan ko muna sila kasi I have to go out. I still have to buy the Philips Hue bulb and I have to go to church as well. The mass is at 6 p.m. tonight, so let's see. Yan. See ya. ayan na yung sa Philips Hue. Nilagay ko na siya dun sa aking Fado lamp. The good thing about this Philips Hue is meron siyang app. So, you can control the color na gusto mo. So, yan. Since sleeping time na or night time na, so, medyo warm yung nilagay kong color. But you can also change it. So, ito yung mga nakasave yan. So, you can change it to different colors. Pink. Yan. Light pink. Bright. Yan. Orange. Medyo puro orange yung nakaano ko. Pero pwede rin ng mga ibang color. Like blue. Yan. So, I went to Standard / Daiso. So, I just got some things from them. So, first up is the plant stand or stool. And then, I just got their, parang, it's like a wooden storage. Yan. Cute lang para maayos ko yung gamit. So, I got the one with the lid. Yan. Para naman yung mga clutter ko hindi masyadong kita. And of course, I also got this one, just a refill bottle from Daiso. At saka dumaan na rin ako ng W Cosmetics kasi paubos na yung aking morning cleanser. So I just got the low pH cleanser. And yun lang, I just went to Woolies to buy some groceries. Yun. So now, I want to show you my plants. Yan. So, ayan sila. I'll show you. Alright. So, yung stand na to, nabili ko to sa IKEA. And it's actually a three-story. Yun naman tawag dun. 3-layer siya. Pero ginawa ko na lang 2 para magkasya yung plants. So, first up, it's a rubber plant. Yan. So, and then the next one is photos. Photos, I think. And then the peperomia or the money plant. And then ito pa yung bamboo ko before, pero before kasi 5 sticks siya, so namatay na yung 3. Ayan, if you can see, kinat ko na lang sila. Ayan, so thriving pa naman yung 2 sticks. And then yung aking mini Sansevieria. And then I also got so, this is the Bird of Paradise. So, all of them, nabili ko sila sa IKEA lang. And then, I got this one from QV Market, from Folia House. So, right before they shut down for renovation, nakabili pa ako and they were on sale. So, this is the Calathea. And last but not the least, ito yung pinaka-last na addition sa aking plant family. This is the Sansevieria, which I also got from the QV Market. Yun lang. Hello, good afternoon. So today is my day off and I'm going to meet my friend to have lunch with her. Pero before that, I'm going to Post muna to get some of the things that I ordered from We the Wild. So as you know, I'm trying to be a plant mama.